The P0440 code signifies a malfunction in your vehicle's evaporative emission control system, or EVAP. This system is designed to prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. The P0440 diagnostic trouble code is triggered when the EVAP system detects a leak or other malfunction that affects its ability to contain these vapors. This can happen during self-tests while the engine is off. Addressing the P0440 code is crucial for environmental protection by reducing harmful emissions. It also impacts your vehicle's fuel efficiency and can prevent issues during emissions testing. Several factors can trigger a P0440 code. The most frequent culprit is a loose or damaged gas cap, accounting for 30 to 40% of cases. Other potential causes include faulty purge valves, cracked or disconnected EVAP hoses, a malfunctioning fuel tank pressure sensor, vacuum leaks, or issues with the charcoal canister. Identifying the root cause is essential for effective repair. The most common symptom of a P0440 code is the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard. You might also experience a rough engine idle. Reduced fuel economy is another possible symptom, or a noticeable fuel odor, especially near the gas tank. In many cases, the vehicle will still be drivable, but ignoring the issue can lead to more significant problems, including failing an emissions test. Begin by visually inspecting the gas cap. Ensure it's properly tightened and that the rubber seal isn't cracked or damaged. If the cap appears faulty, replace it. A new gas cap typically costs between $10 and $20 and is a simple, cost-effective first step. After replacing the cap, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the code and monitor if it reappears. If the gas cap check doesn't resolve the issue, use an OBD2 scanner to read the specific P0440 code and any related subcodes. This provides more information about the location and nature of the EVAP system problem. Connect the scanner and read the P0440 code along with any subcodes that provide additional diagnostic details. The codes help identify the specific location and type of problem within the EVAP system. Modern Bluetooth-enabled OBD2 scanners and smartphone apps offer real-time diagnostics and can help pinpoint the faulty component. For deeper diagnostics, test EVAP system components such as the purge valve and vent solenoid using a multimeter to check electrical continuity and resistance. A smoke machine can help identify leaks in hoses or connections by pressurizing the system and watching for escaping smoke. Common repairs include replacing the purge solenoid, which costs between $50 and $150, or the charcoal canister, ranging from $200 to $400. Always consult your vehicle's service manual for specific testing procedures and component locations to ensure proper diagnosis and repair. Many P0440 issues can be resolved with basic tools and DIY skills, saving on labor costs that average $100 to $300 at repair shops. However, complex EVAP system problems might require professional diagnosis and repair. Consider your comfort level and the complexity of the repairs before attempting a DIY fix. Always prioritize safety and consult repair manuals to avoid damaging other components or voiding your vehicle's warranty. With the increasing adoption of electric vehicles, which lack EVAP systems, P0440 issues are becoming less prevalent in newer vehicles. However, for legacy internal combustion engine vehicles, advancements in AI-driven diagnostics and predictive maintenance are emerging. Eco-friendly solutions, such as reusable and remanufactured components, are also gaining traction.